Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You need a CarPlay-capable head unit and an iPhone with current iOS. Once ready, plug a certified USB cable into the car's USB port or initiate wireless pairing. Begin while parked for safety. Make sure Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are enabled on the iPhone. Once connected, open the CarPlay home screen and use the touchscreen or dial to access apps. This is the immediate step to get the audio/video pipeline active, so you can proceed to the specialized playback method. Now enable the single supported method. Use a trusted video app that permits CarPlay playback or mirror your iPhone screen via an approved head unit feature. On the phone, grant microphone/camera and screen permissions where required. On the head unit, select the app or mirroring source. Once done, start the video on your iPhone app and transfer control to the head unit UI. Make sure volume levels are set and the car remains stationary. This ensures legal, stable playback. Finish by confirming the video shows on the head unit and audio routes to the car speakers. If the display is black, immediately stop, disconnect and reconnect the USB or reinitiate wireless pairing. If problems persist, reboot the head unit and the iPhone, then retry. Make sure firmware and iOS are updated to handle DRM and codecs. One key tip: if playback fails after pairing, try a different certified cable. Most failures trace back to cable or head unit firmware mismatches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.